What's up YouTube, this is AP iPhone Help, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get free apps on your iPad, iPhone, or iPod Touch. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to search free My Apps on Google, and this has to be on your iPad, iPhone, or iPod Touch. Then you're going to see the first link there. You're going to click it. Now once you click the first link, here we go, you will be brought to this page here, and this has a whole bunch of applications that you can get. You go to your sponsor apps, and I think I actually did most of them except for one. Yep. So they do update this a lot. I did all of these except for one as of today, I guess. So I do have to get that one later. But what you do is you click on it and it will bring you a setting. It has to install a setting on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. And then you can go back here, download it. You click on it, it'll bring you to the iTunes store. So let's just click on this one real quick. I'll show you. Here we go. This will pop up. And all it's focused. All it says is redirecting to iTunes store. Come back. So you're going to push OK after that. Now you're going to install it, and I'm sorry I cannot show you my iTunes password. Okay. Now once that finishes installing, and it will here really quickly because my Wi-Fi is pretty fast. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on it, and you're just going to run it for 30 seconds. I'm just going to say okay because you can delete this afterwards, but you just play around with it, whatever you do, just for 30 seconds as long as you're running it. That's all you, oh, this looks actually kind of cool. Sections, technology, because this is a text show. Oh, here we go. Apple CEO meets China's Vice Premier. Apple CEO Tim Cook met with Chinese Vice Premier Li something or other. So after you're done running it for about 30 seconds, you're just going to click the home button. Then you're going to double click to bring up your menu here. And if you just hold this, delete it from there, then single click, then just click back to Safari, then you're going to click up here to sponsor apps. There we go, and it worked. If you can see up in the top right, I now have 1380 points, and those points work just like this. If you go to gift apps right here in the middle, it's going to bring you to a whole bunch of apps that you can get for free. So I can get Angry Birds Space, HD, like all these apps here that are all highlighted, I can get them for free with the amount of points that I have. They have iMovie, Assassin's Creed, Real Racing 2. These are for the iPad, iPhone, and iPod Touch. Angry Birds Rio, all those really good games. Words with Friends, Madden NFL, iPhoto, Real Racing, I already said that. The Adventures of Tintin, something or other. The only one that I really want to get is Keynote Pages and Numbers, but they have all these different games for the iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch, and as you can see, some of these are not highlighted. So if you look here, these are highlighted, these are not. These are the ones that I do not have enough credits for. These I have enough credits for. So, everything works just like that, and once you hit on one that you want, it'll direct you to the iTunes store, give you a credit for that, and give you a code. You just enter the code into the iTunes store and it'll download it. It's 100% free, 100% legal. All they do is they use sponsorship in ads, so they get paid for this, and then they give us a little bit of some money. So this is actually really cool. I did find some good games on the free sections here, and just some good apps that are in the sponsored apps that are free. All the sponsor apps are free, so you do have a 100% chance of getting the free or the paid apps for free and getting your points. You don't have to pay for points. And that's about it. If you click over here to share, which is the far right, you can share it on Facebook, Twitter, email, or SMS. And if you really want, you can just copy the link here. If you go to SMS, you can copy the link, tell anyone you want who wants it, and that's it. So that's how you get free apps on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Alright guys, so I hope you learned something new about how to get free apps on your iPad, especially your iPhone and your iPod Touch. This has been AP iPhone Help, and if you want, there's a link down below. If you're viewing this on any one of your mobile devices, there's a link down below. You just click it, it'll give you directly to the website, and I'll put a link here. You just put that into your iPhone, iPod, or iPod Touch. It'll take you there, and it'll also give me points. So click away, and I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Peace.